In today's video, we're going to review our e-bikes.
The Maxfoot MF19.
You did Maxfoot. You're leaving the out.
I did the.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No.
You'll see. You'll see.
In today's video, we're going to review our e-bikes.
The Maxfoot MF19. Hey, I'm Terry.
And I'm Randy.
This is Gracie.
And this is Woody.
And we are Chasing the Dream RV. We sold our sticks and bricks back in May of 2020 and have been full-timing ever since, chasing fun-filled adventures throughout the U.S.
The MF19 features a 6061 aluminum alloy frame, Tektro 180 millimeter front and rear alloy disc brakes, a 6-bar linkage rear suspension. The tires are 20 inch by 4 inches wide with Tektro mechanical brake levers and a Shimano M310 derailleur and 7-speed gear. The battery is a Panasonic 48 volt 14 amp hour lithium, a 5-inch display with a USB port. The motor is a 750 watt Bafang integrated wheel motor with a Maxfoot 25 amp overall waterproof controller. The throttle is variable speed with a 1/2-inch twist, and it has integrated wiring, water resistant connectors and wiring harness. The charging time on the batteries 5 to 6 hours. Maximum load capacity of the bike is 300 pounds and the appropriate height is 5 foot 2 inches to 6 foot 3 tall. They have the weight listed at 75 pounds, 66 without the battery and 75 with it in. And the range we've been experiencing, roughly, depending on how hard you're driving with the throttle, is 50 to 60 miles. To turn the bike on, you just hold this button right here and that'll light up the LCD dashboard. We've had no issues with seeing it in the sun. I don't know how it'll come across in the video. To change through your options and your pedal assist, you use the up and down buttons. And on this side you have your gears, your gear shifter, up and down, and this is your twist throttle right here. And this disables the twist, so that if you're sitting still and you turn the throttle, the bike won't take off on you. The total length of the bikes are 72 inches long, the handlebar width is 24 inches, the max tire width is 4 inches, and the folded dimensions are 42 inches by 21 inches by 32 inches. Has a wheelbase of 47.5 inches. The main reason we chose this bike over other manufacturers was the suspension. The rear suspension and the front suspension was a big deal to us because we like to go on the off-road trails, and I felt like the models that other manufacturers were putting out with no suspension would be too rough. So far we've been very happy with these bikes. We've had no issues, and they each have about 120 miles on them since we bought them. The bike price was about $2,000 a piece, but if you bought two, I believe we ended up paying $1,900 each. They gave you $200 off on the package deal. We did it. And it's in one piece. There's a truck going by.
Okay, ready?
All right. So a lot of people like to know how we carry our e-bikes around. So we choose to carry them on the back of the coach, as preferred to the towed. So this is how easy they are to unload. That's it. There were only 2 racks available that were rated heavy enough for the weight of the e-bikes, which are 80 pounds a piece. And Hollywood was the one with the best options that I liked. And here's a picture of that. To get the second bike off, it's just a matter of taking off the strap here. Pulling the pin. Take these off. And what I do is I just move it over. I leave the front one attached, that way it won't fall off if I lose it. Move it over. And it's the same process as the first bike. I always start with the back tire first. That's it. You can either do a 1-person or a 2-person. That's how we do the 1-person. Sometimes we do the 2-person unload. Also, we use this type of hitch setup. This is a Generation Y. Down there. If you like this review, please click the subscribe button and hit the like button.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.